one should control senses, because if we don't control senses, there is no possibility of any transcendental realization. If we have to understand the transcendental truth, control of senses is basic. It's the real basic requirement. So such understanding does not exist, and so they have found from science birth control by pills and contraception and abortion. Go to the clinic and you can get the aborted and continue sense gratification. What happens because of all these things? No idea. So, and Prabhupada is lamenting the poor fellows, the poor living entities in this world. They have no control, and there is no institution to teach them control. There is no institution to tell them why they should control. That's how Prabhupada closes the purport of this. This is going on as a result of sense gratification. Women are supplied pills and they are allowed to go to a clinical laboratory to get assistance for abortions. This is going on as a result of sense gratification. Actually, sex life is meant for begetting a good child. But because people have no control over the senses, and there is no institution to train them to control the senses, the poor fellows fall victim to the criminal offenses of sense gratification, and they are punished after death as described in this verse. So, Prabhupada created an institution. Prabhupada wanted this institution to expand, to enlighten people, to sensitize people, to tell them about the purpose of life. This is the highest Vedic knowledge. And that Vedic knowledge, what is the purpose of life, that Prabhupada has created this institution, created the books, created this process, how we lead our life from morning till evening, what we do with our lives, what we do with our time, so that there is continuous and progressive reformation, purification and enlightenment happening.